Okay.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay, then let's start the conversation without wasting a single minute. So, hello, hi, how are you?
Jai Matrbhumi, ma'am. I am fine. Thank you for asking me. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm great and thank you for asking. So tell me how your day is shaping up, how your life is going on.
It's nice, ma'am, because my holiday is going on, so I'm at home.
Your holidays is going on. Are you teacher? Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's before going to now you before taking dive into the conversation, I want you to give your, introduction so that I can well verse with you.
Okay. So thank you, ma'am, giving me this opportunity and connected me also. I am Bhavani. I am from Raipur in Chhattisgarh. If you talk about my qualification, I have done post graduation in English literature and DLED also. And I am a teacher. I teach primary classes. My
Mhm.
channel name English with Bhavani. That's all about me.
Okay, your name is Bhavani, na?
Yeah,
Okay, but what is this in EIENTI? What is the meaning of INTI?
in T. I am a South
Inti.
Indian.
You're a South Indian person, but you not seems like a South Indian person. You are looking like a North.
Yeah, because I am born and brought up there, but my surname
Hmm.
Inti, my family name Inti, and
Mhm.
my name Durga Bhavani.
Durga
But
Bhavani.
everyone,
Oh, wow, Durga B and Bhavani B. That's lovely. Beautiful name, I must say.
yeah.
Okay, that's great. So tell me something more about yourself. You are said so what is your regional language? Telugu, Tamil,
Cool.
Telugu. So do you know Hindi? Do you understand Hindi?
Because I'm born and brought up there. I'm from Hindi medium student.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Most of the time whenever I connecting with the South people, they have a, influence of their regional language. But when I'm talking to you, you don't have any influence of South Indian language. You're speaking well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are watching movie, and nowadays I learn this language, and other you can ask me. So gardening and sketching.
Gardening and sketching, something different hobbies you have. So what kind of sketch you prepare? Are you I mean you just copy it and you create an imaginary scenery inside and you so what uh mhm.
Copy. I can copy. I can pick anybody
Okay,
or
you can
pick.
make my image also?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And gardening, yes. So what do you do? I mean you have planted some plants and what kind?
I have many plants, ma'am, in my garden. You can say small garden, but I have many plants. Uh,
Mhm.
my father also like it. So we spend our time when we get time. So we spend there. And
Mhm.
mostly flowers, plants.
The flowers.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are a teacher, you told me that, right? You're a teacher. So, I mean, what is the medium of your teaching in your school? Hindi, English, or regional language?
Ma'am, English medium school.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now, so what is your, gravity? Why you want to? What is so essential to learn this language for you?
Yeah, because I am a teacher in English medium school, and I am postgraduate in English literature, but I
Mm-hmm.
can't speak fluently. That's why I'm here.
Okay, but I heard somewhere that South people are good in English.
Yeah, who's live there, they are good in English because their environment. But I live in Chhattisgarh, CG. There everyone is speak Hindi or a Chhattisgarhi language. Mostly people speak Chhattisgarhi language.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how long you have been on this platform?
It's been 4 months completed, ma'am.
4 months come. So do you feel that you improve somewhere? Your language is getting improved, your communication is getting improved?
Yes. Now I'm not hesitate. I connect you. I'm never think I will connect you any. I don't think so.
No, no, no. It is not like that.
I've
It
never
is.
thought because I watched your many video when I start learn this language at that time, and your kids only 7 years now, but they speak very well. So I think at that time, I thought at that time, yeah, if we watch TV and learn like cartoon, that's it. So we learn easily this way, and I felt, and I also learn this language. I tried,
Yes,
but
yes. This
I'm
is.
not
Yes. Please speak, please.
I'm not get improvement too much, you can say, but
Mm-hmm.
because I don't have time too much, that's why. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I try, I learn.
Mm-hmm. First of all,
Yeah.
my YouTube channel, I welcome everyone, right? I wanted to give a message from this channel, from this video, that if anyone can connect with me, right? And I welcome everyone. No need to hesitate with me, because I am also a co-learner. I am also learning, right?
But mostly in your channel, mostly who they speak very well, they are connected. Mostly I was.
No, no, no. It is not like that. I connect with everyone. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, everyone. Like I told you that I welcome everyone. Everyone is welcome in my channel. I am not saying that I will not welcome you and you. No, no. I don't discriminate anyone.
Ma'am, you never say anything.
Yes.
I feel if I'm not communicate well for to you, so I'm fair.
Please don't think like that. If you will have that kind of a hesitation, or kind of a feeling that if I will not communicate well, so how do you learn? First of all, this is we call restricted mindset.
Yes, yes.
Judgmental. Don't be so judgmental, right? Connect with the person, talk with the person, right? Then you will get to know about the personality, because we all, what we do actually, we judge the people by their face, right? By their work. But it is not like that. Personality is not about how you are looking. Personality is all about how you behave, how you talk, how you respect the others. That is all about personality traits, right? So I welcome everyone, and I want to send a message through this video. Please come and connect with me. It is not like that, right? And don't be hesitate. We are human being, right? And we are privileged to make the mistake, right? जब हम mistake करेंगे, then only we will be the one step ahead, right? And
Yeah.
we are not native speaker. First of all, we are Indian, right? We have our own swag, ठीक है? So हम अपने हिसाब से learn करेंगे. We will learn the way we want to be, right? We don't want that other people impose anything on us. So go with this language with free flow, right? Don't take any burden, don't take any hesitation, like a free bird, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
So don't
Yeah.
worry, you are speaking good and you have good confidence that I can see on your face, that is reflecting on your face. So don't worry, you are good, right?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me one thing, ma'am. What is, so influencing in teaching profession, right? That you are the teacher right now. क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है teaching में? Why you became teacher?
First, ma'am, whatever we teach, we also learn. We
Mm-hmm.
never forget that thing when we teach. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I like it, kids, and you can say this is my goal. I want to teach there, and now I completed their 8 years, and only
Mm.
one was, yeah.
Oh, wow.
I
Mm.
have I had that time many opportunity for other school called me, but I
Mm.
never go in any other school. That's why my who's the owner, my school director, everyone, yeah, उनका हर they are feeling
Mm-hmm.
I'm a person. I'm never give up. So
Mm-hmm.
they
Okay. Your teacher, they always believe that you're a hardworking person, you never give up, you're a determined person, right?
Yeah.
That's great. But one thing, we always say that we learn from everywhere, right? Now you are a teacher, you always surrounded by the kids, right? Always surrounded by the kids. So what do you learn by your kids?
I learned one thing, ma'am.
Hmm.
It was first kids forget everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
they forget everything. If you punish them, they forget, and they
Mm-hmm.
every time feel happy.
Mm-hmm.
They make every time happy. That thing I like it. Mostly,
Kids
I
are, yes, kids are very innocent, very innocent,
yeah,
and they are very
innocent.
pure by heart,
Yeah,
right? We always forget, like, nothing has happened. But we are a mature person, right? If somebody, scolded us, if somebody hurt us, so we always keep that things in our heart, right? And we always keep growing with it. But kids are not like that. They are pure by heart, by soul, and very innocent.
yeah. They forget everything, and they
Mm-hmm.
respect also. So I like it. Kids life very good life, you can say.
Okay, so one more thing, that you are in the school. So tell me, if you wanted to change one thing in your school that you don't like it, you feel like that's very weird. I need to change it. So what would be that?
One thing, ma'am, uh, we are teachers now, so their parents force give
Mm-hmm.
me homework, do homework daily.
Okay.
Don't give homework. So parents, uh, today your teacher not teach like that.
Mhm. Oh.
So think, but I
Mm-hmm.
want to say is there is skill development. We
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I don't want to only syllabus.
Mm-hmm.
Syllabus I don't want to. I want to something new. Sometimes we discuss, sometimes we connect. So this way
Mm-hmm.
I know his thought, what they want to think, and what they want to um, say like that. But in my pressure, my mind pressure, I want to give homework. So at
Uh-huh.
that time, never connect.
Yes. I can understand that. You are saying that parents always, pressurize on teacher that give homework.
Yeah,
Right? Yes, it is. Homework is important, but skill development, like you just talk about, skill development is very important. Cramming the things, mugging up the things, matlab yaad karna is not all about. Theoretical is
yeah.
not all about. Life is all about practical things. It's very important. If I talk about my school, my kids' school, they never ever believe in homework. They never provide homework for their for their home. They always believe in individual focus. Whatever we get, whatever I get, the homework from their school, only individual focus. No homework. Homework they always complete it at school only. But
But
you
the
have. Hmm.
yeah, we want, teachers want this thing, but parents not, they don't understand this thing.
Yes.
Even nursery classes, even nursery classes, they ask parents sometime,
Uh-huh.
who's nursery teacher, so they ask, you don't give any homework. At that time we say, now she start, now she cry, she first of all she communicate not with teacher, then you
Mhm.
want homework, but they can't understand.
But teacher, I believe teachers are the second parent of any kids.
Yeah,
After parents, teacher is the only person who understand the kid very well, their nature, their behavior, their personality, right?
yes.
But you
We
have a
know.
very growth. I must say, and it's really praiseworthy. You have very growth mindset.
Thank you.
Yes, of course. Like you're talking about that parents is always imposing and always pressurizing for the homework. It's very good. We need to work for skill development work. Great, great. Okay, so my last question to you, ma'am. So what is your, achievement till now?
Till now,
Mm-hmm.
um, I'm a principal my school. That is my achievement. But
You're
I'm
a
never say anyone. Yeah, but I'm never say anyone because I'm not a good in English. That's why.
no, ma'am, first of all, congratulations that you are a principal of the school, right? And never ever says that I am not good at English. You are good. Always go with the positive thought, always go with the solution that you have already built up for yourself. You are working for your communication skill. That would be a accomplishment for you, right?
Yeah.
So you are already achieved it. You are good at English. You are working on it. That is the good thing,
Yeah.
right?
Last
So,
3 years, I'm principal that school. But
mm-hmm.
in last 4 months, I many people I conversation this kind video, but
Mm-hmm.
make video. But I've never say anyone. I'm a principal because only for this language, my weakness. That's why.
No, no, never ever says this. Always rejoice, always celebrate your accomplishment of your life, right? So you said I think you feel like that you should share this thing with me. That's, I feel very honored कि आपने मुझसे ये share किया. It's really good. And madam, we can wind up this session on that positive note that we should be always an optimistic person, right? And we never ever lose the hope, right? And it's great talking to you, principal ma'am. Now I would like to say you, right? So, and hopefully we will connect again. And thank you so much with connecting with me. Have a good
Thank
day and please do take care of yourself.
you. Jai Matrbhumi.
Jai Jai Matrbhumi.